Hi guys, Krystal Vancely here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today, we have, don't want you to see my address, an Amazon package. So let's open this bad boy up. Now, I ordered this, gosh, if you've watched my videos on our trip, I ordered this right before our trip, and it came in right when we got home. I was pretty excited about this because, well, I love buying these, and what's funny is I don't even use them. I buy things like this for my husband, but I love buying them, and that's tools. I'm like really big on buying tools. You can never have enough, but here we go. Here is the case. Now, let's open these bad boys up. I'm such a girl when it comes to opening these. And here it is. This is a set of drill bits. It is Countersink drill bits. Now, I'm a girl and I don't really use these. I'm going to pull them out and show them to you so you know what they come with. Here's one. Two. Three. Excuse the nail polish. I forgot to pick up nail polish from my tree. 4. 5. Ooh, big one. 6. Look at this. 7. Now, it's a 7-piece countersink drill bit set, but I count this as 9 pieces because it comes with a case and a small Allen wrench. It came with a little card. Isn't it cute? They're really sturdy. I'm sure my husband will get to using these really quick because, well, it's tools, and what man doesn't use tools as soon as they get them? Right off the bat, I cannot remember the price. So I will have the price down in the description below and a link to this product. Again, here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll leave you the information, and if you need some drill bits, you know, check them out. Until next time, guys, much love.